Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your Doogee S90, for the first you have to go for the settings, then just scroll down and enter security and location. Right now let's click on the screen lock and select the second lock method. Currently we got the swipe, so maybe we can change it for the pattern. Click here. I don't want to start up with the secure, so just draw our pattern, click next and draw it once again. Click on the confirm right here. There's the notification options, so we can select what you want to see on the lock screen with the content from your notifications, and I think that we can hide the sensitive content. Click on it done. Right now just go back and lock the device and try to unlock, and yes, right now we have to use our pattern. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.